I welcome everyone. Analytical community in Guru.Markets. Thank you very much for paying attention to our review. We will compare the main fundamental indicators of the company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, ticker, DVAX. This review is based on information as of June 30, 2024. According to Classification Guru, Markets company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, belongs to the subcategory Pharma Liver. 11 organizations are participating in the comparison. This is more or less representative. We start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We propose to study all the indicators of the corporation under study more thoroughly. Access to the table with the ticker structure is absolutely free and open. Thank you very much for your repost and other help, it's all extremely helpful. Well, here we go. Market capitalization of the company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, valued at $1.47 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $5 billion. Dynavax Technologies Corp. Accounts for a share of 26.81% and is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0.61 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $1 billion. Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, accounts for a share of 44.83%. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and book value, we will see the following. Occupied share Dynavax Technologies Corp. In the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 26.81%. The book value is 44.83%. Which is 67% more than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance capitalization in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Total company assessment Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, will be presented at the end of the video. Please look at the logic of the study to the end. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.252 billion. Debt liabilities to book capitalization amount to 41.3% of capital. Score for the company's debt obligations. Good, 1 point. The company's market price to profit balance corresponds to 208. With an average of 0 for the subcategory, this is significantly better than the average for the subcategory. Evaluation of the stock price to earnings ratio in comparison within the subcategory. Very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $9 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $17 million. 86.8% more than currently. Estimation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 6.2. The average for the subcategory is 10.2, which is 39% lower than the average for the subcategory. Assessment of the market price to revenue indicator in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $240 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $440 million. 83% more than now. Assessment of expected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 3.9%, with the average for the subcategory minus 112.3%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 116.2%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 34.43%, which is 28% more than the share of market capitalization. This shows the imbalance in the stock market value of the organization Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital for each employee of the organization is $3,602,000. And in the subcategory there are $4,626,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 22.1%. Estimation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $22,500. With the average in the subcategory, minus $510,500. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is $533,000. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $579,000. In the subcategory $455,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 27%. Estimation of sales per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 16.9%. With an average for the subcategory of 5.3%. This is a short squeeze risk indicator. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 43% for the company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 42%. On average, securities of the subcategory are valued the same as company shares Dynavax Technologies, DVAX. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Dynavax Technologies Corp. And subcategory companies. We see that over 12 months the promotions Dynavax Technologies Corp. Showed a dynamics of minus 14.7%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory minus 13.6%. This clearly does not indicate anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Before showing the final grade, we kindly ask. Leave your rating of the company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, in the comments to this video. Your responses in the comments greatly help spread the project. Guru.Markets. Result. 7 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 2.9 points. If you look broadly, within the entire US stock market in general, we can see that the average result for the US stock market in total is 0.4 points. Against a score of 7 points for Dynavax Technologies Corp. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all previously made decisions by the evaluation information system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of securities valuation Dynavax Technologies Corp. Stock Valuation Reference System Guru.Markets. The following decision was made. Open an order, for a reason. Dynavax Technologies, DVAX, one of the most undervalued companies in the subcategory. Thank you very much to everyone for watching this video and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets. You all truly are the best audience in the entire world.